Morning TNT, morning Facebook, and to the youths out there. I want to teach you something this morning, you know. Nothing come free, but hard wrong gonna teach you something this morning. Or you can stay away from drugs, find yourself into fishing and ice sports. And I want to show you how to make anchor for shore fishing. Right, this is normal. Anyway, you see them fella doing house wiring, and you see they cut out the wire and the extra wire, you take it up and carry it home. You cut it, what you length? Cut it a nice little length. Bring you dark there, right. Now you buy the long lead, right? The net lead, take the wire, put it inside the lead, right? You want to know why it is your road now holding on in the sand and the wave pushing it out back? You need this. And then you need a small piece on the other side now to tie a line. Right? This piece on the other side now for your line. Put it in on this side. Real simple, you know. This is real simple. But you know, it's just how to do it. Right? You take a hammer, you beat one side down. Beat the other side. This side. So this is what you call a grabber, right? When you set out your rod, before you set out your rod and you're going into training water, you bend your anchor to suit, right? And it's a grabber. Understand? You line it up here, you pelt out your rod. When you see that grab in the sand, that hole, right? Real simple. When you finish fishing, you just straighten back your anchor. Right, and that is it, complete. See, I don't make 5 minutes time, and this is free of charge, courtesy Hard Grounds. You know, fishing is a nice sport, ease up stress, could even keep you away from drinking and from the drugs, you know. And I will every day go by, I got teach you something new, how to tie a line, how to set, what bait to use, you know, how to throw net. A guy just called me and you know, his motivation. When I learn, I pay to learn. Hunting, I used to pay a man to carry me to hunt. So nothing didn't come free for Hard Ground. But I will share this to you all, to my followers. Big up to all my hunting and fishing friends. Can't remember everybody's name. Hard Ground jersey printing, and we got the jersey back and front is print. So you know, going on is trouble. Real trouble. And that's how we just do it. Big up to my friend in Canada, my YouTube specialist, you know, Sebesta. Can't remember your full name, you know. Hard Ground, he had hard. That's why they call him Hard Ground. He had real hard. Yeah. Sometimes my wife had to be calling she all different name and things. Problems, real problems. Yeah. And I say, she said, chick, like the puppy, like that one name. And that time is problems with me, you know. But you don't follow Hard Ground, you know. There's problem for you too. Bless, have a blessed morning. See, 2 anchor done me.